Hey Austin, Jonathan here at Discount Forklift. Got the 7K Caterpillar here. I'm going to go ahead and run it through an operational test since you got your ankle injury out and you can't get over here to see it. Want to point out a few things. One, we've actually had this serviced just back at the end of October, so it is all ready to go. In addition to that, you'd asked about your dirt and gravel surfaces. We have some really fantastic pneumatic tires on here that are not going to be a problem whatsoever for driving on your surfaces. I'm going to go ahead and start her up and drive her around so you can see. There you go, Austin. Once you decide to go ahead and buy, you can start doing all the donuts you want, man.